Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, JDC family. My name is Jay. This is my Diecast Creations channel, and today we got another cool video. Another cool video. Yes, it's gonna be a quick one because my mouth is still healing. I would have waited to record this, but I really want to get it out in the mail. Um, and I needed to record something before I sent it out. So I'm gonna wait until this gentleman receives this gift. But I basically had started this project when just shortly after or before I started the YouTube channel, and the idea here was to create a Camaro from every era for the Gaslands game. I'm a Camaro fan, um, and I basically did all of them besides the 70-ish one. This one here, right? And that's okay. That's okay. I didn't get there, and these cars were sitting on the shelf over here for quite a while, and I kept looking at them. Um, and when Mike sent me the pink slips thing, and I already knew this, but he he hinted to the fact that he was Santa Claus, Mr. Claus left something at his house for me, right? Um, Basically, Mike went and bought the Toys R Us exclusive and the Zamac exclusive Chevelle and sent it to me. He didn't have to do that. Not only that, he's a great guy in the community, and he's sent me other things before, and I never got to send him anything back, right? I know that he's a Camaro fanatic, and I know that he's a Gaslands player. He actually goes to game nights, and he plays Gaslands. So I was like, you know what? These things are sitting here. Let me finish them up real quick, and they're kind of a rush job, Mike. Like, I didn't go crazy with armor everywhere, and this, that, and the other thing. It's basically um, all the cars are the same on the body. It's a sandpaper hit, right? It's a wash, and then it's small conversions and dry brushing. Then I sealed it and I hit it with the Tamiya powder. So some of this powder might flake off in gameplay, touching it and all that, but it's okay, man, because underneath it's sealed with the dry brushing. So you shouldn't have to take off. It shouldn't damage it at all. But basically, you got two. What I did was I took the off-road Mustang, right, and I used the chassis off of that for these two right here. So you got the 67 Camaro and the 96 from Maisto, I believe. Um, Basically, and these two are going to be your off-road. I guess you could claim them as trucks in the game. One of them could be used as a highway patrol truck, right? And then this one you could do whatever you want with. It does have a magnetic hard point up top. I don't know if you can see the magnets in there. So if you wanted to add a gun to the top of this, you can. And by all means, man, add whatever you want to these cars. Like I said, it was kind of a rush job just to finish them up. And you can customize them to your liking if you want, for the game purposes. Also, these are rollers. You can glue the wheels if you want to. I know Gaslands, you're supposed to, keep them stationary. So you can glue those down if you want. This one is a newer Camaro, and it's on a Just Trucks chassis. One of these Just Trucks chassis, right? The chassis unscrews, and this one fit right up. So I ended up bolting the chassis on there. Actually, I glued it on there, I want to say. And this is more of a monster truck, I guess. I mean, you could use it as a truck if you wanted to. I don't think this one got a hard point, but like I said, Mike, you can do whatever you want with these, man. At the point of me releasing this video, you already received the package and opened it. So, um, this one here is a performance car, right? It's a performance car. It's the 2010 Camaro custom. So I figured I'd just take the windshield out. You can add something on there if you want to. And I glued the tires on this one. The windshield was yellow. But this one does have a hard point up on the roof on the right side. All right, so you can add a gun there or whatever you want. Nothing crazy, man. Just something from me to you to show that I appreciate what you do and what you did for me and for the community, right? And then here's another highway patrol, just a car. I took the wheels off of the 2010 Copo and I put it on here. Nothing crazy. Just some weathering powders, and it's got a metal hard point there on the back. And I'll throw in a couple little guns with magnets. They're nothing crazy. These are out of the Final Factions set. The Final Factions thing. So, I mean, they're a little oversized. You can use them if you want. You can not use them if you want. But you might want to finish painting them up. Because I just primed them and cut them down. And glued some magnets on there, right? So, there's that. And then there's just this one here. All you really need to do is just get some dry brushing going on, and you should be fine, right? So, there you go, man. There's the Camaro squad. The only one it doesn't have is the what you call it? The 70s Camaro, right? But this is going to be packed up with Mike's stuff going out to Massachusetts with Amanda's Ferrari and Kingnut's Porsche and a few other little things I think I threw in the box over there. I hope you like it, Mike. And I hope you get good use out of it at your Gaslands nights. I appreciate everything you do for the community, my man. Oh, and I'll also send you this. Because I know that your girl is a huge Ghostbusters fanatic, right? This was sent to me from the customizer a long time ago, and it was supposed to be Gaslanded. I don't want to Gasland it. It's a Kroger exclusive. I didn't notice at the time, but it's a Kroger exclusive Ecto 1 59 Cadillac. So I'm gonna send this out to Mike's wife to add to her collection. There you go. So at this point, you already got the package. I hope you enjoy the stuff, Mike. Maybe send me a couple pictures of it in battle or whatever after they get blown up. But I'm gonna go, guys. My mouth's starting to hurt again, so I'll talk to you. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.